morning. This is a video log for my family, brothers and sisters, nieces and nephews. I've done one in Dutch, so I thought to myself, you know what, let me just shoot one in English. This one is just to say hello, you guys, in South America. Hello, you guys in America, in all over the place where you are, because we're like scattered. I want to say, encouragement for you guys to make the best out of everything, because of the system we are living in. Sometimes it could be hard. Make sure you guys have a job, doing something, earning a living, and don't worry what other people say, because people say whatever. So if you're in Guyana and you're listening, I know my big brother and my big sister are living in Guyana, so I want to say hello to you too, my nephews and all those people who know me growing up from British Guyana. I want to say hi you guys. I want to encourage you to continue doing whatever you're doing. Make sure it's positive. Try to be positive in life. Don't look at what others have. Don't look at what other people say. Don't listen to them. Make sure you're doing things that could benefit you and your family. But make sure when you're doing something that it's encourage somebody else. That you people could feel okay. I'm doing this, and it makes me feel good, but it make other people feel good as well. So if you have a job, if you have a piece of land, plant, I know my big brother, he is a great example in that. Plant, take some chickens and make sure you have some things, some stock. Make sure you take care of your family. And if you have a wife or a girlfriend, make sure you take good care of her and the kids, especially. So this video is about encouraging my family, and because I know that as human being, family all over the world, I know some people in Brazil. I know they're going through a tough time at this age, so I want to encourage everybody to hang in there and make sure that you take good care of yourself, and don't forget to pray. Very important. And so you take good care. I just thought, let me just make a video log this morning about encouraging my brothers and sisters, my nieces and nephews, and all those all the rest of my family, extended family, to be safe out there, but also to take good care of those who are close to you, and for those who you could at least give something to. Okay, so I just wanted to get that off my chest. And I hope you guys enjoy this short movie. Not trying to promote nothing, but just to say hello and to encourage you guys, and because we all need some encouragement at this stage of life. All right, you guys, I'm gonna sign off. You have a wonderful day. This is Troy Hope signing off from Germany. Take care. Goodbye. Bye bye.